side. Number 31, Harvey Lim. Sending for number 14, Renin Taripe. Put shot up, no good. Put back, pero binuta ng kanyang kasama. Yung tiradang Renin Taripe. 8 minutes and 15. Not good for Toto Suelo. Battle for rebound. Agawan ng bola. Taken for number 1, Justin Magbanwa. Zigzagging move. Justin reverse. Good for 2 points. Justin Magbanwa. Sure 1B. Pero halatang may alat yung uring katakutan sa ating football game dahil kanina pa nga application for this third quarter with 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Nito mga player per team o Princess Rusher 1 Badaos. Patuloy magandang arangkada. Pero yung dalawang mga bigating mama bumabagsak sa ating sahig at hindi maganda yung pagkakabagsak nitong number 18, itong Darrell Cabana. We have only 6 minutes and 36 seconds remaining time for the second quarter. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Agawan ng bola. Nice save by San Bruno. Taken for jersey number 2, Bibo Talinting. Sending for Justin Magbanwa. For team of Axers Matis. Fade away shot. Pong! Good for 2 points. Justin Magbanwa. Outside jumper by Justin Magbanwa. Not good for Justin. Hindi bumasket for Justin Magbanwa for team of Axers Matis. Number 14, Renin Taripe. 2-pointer. Princess Rusher 1 Badaos. Number 17, he passed to the wrong man. Disgrasyang tumama sa kanyang kakampi yung pasa na yun. Justin Magbanwa. Good for 2 points. Sa second quarter pa lang po tayo. Uring katakutan number 17. Harassing by Tinar Import din. And Urin katakutan. Timbang kaya, no good from the 18-foot jumper. Cherik Dagot, the MVP of Palawan, sending for Ambulonto. Good from PBA player team of Blackwater. Number 7, Cherik Dagot, sending for number 20, Tiner. Good for 2 points. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Number 7, Urin katakutan. Dagot, stolen for team of Princess Rusher 1 Badaos. Bounce pass, Papaw Shasoko, the little dynamite of Municipality of Nara. 50-31 favor for team of Axers Matis. Wala na pong shot clock. Number 17, Urin katakutan. Basketball count at may kauban Pampaul. Hindi bumasket mga kaibigan. 9 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Ikutan ng bola, Eric Magbanwa. El Banana, 3 points. Kapag sa Soko, number 59, the little dynamite of Municipality of Nara. Number 17, Uring katakutan. Laglag kay Malabayabas. Good for 2 points, Malabayabas. Former MVP, former PBA rather. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Hagmis, number 99, the pride of Barangay Inagawan, Puerto Princesa. Good for 2 points by Hagmis. Good for 2 points. And Papaw Shasoko, 53-41. We have a 12-point lead. Isang doseno na lang po yung nilalamang ng team ng Axers dito sa ating ball game. But Ambulonto kakayod sa loob. Good for 2 points, Ambulonto. With 7 minutes and 8 seconds remaining time. Number 17, Urin katakutan. Lois, good for 2 points, Urin katakutan. Pumasket para kay Harvey Lim, ang pride ng munisipyo ng El Nido. But number 20, Tiner para sa grupo ng Axers Matis. 2 points. 20, Tiner, didiskarte, floater, no good for Tiner. Taken for number 99, the pride of Barangay Inagawan, Puerto Princesa. Agawan ng bola, number 99, nag-miss, sending for Taripe. Bang! Good for 2 points by Taripe. With 4 minutes and 45 seconds, number 7, Cherik Dagot, sending for Ambulonto, a former PBA player. Good for 2 points, Ambulonto. The K, not good for Toto Suelo. With 4 minutes and 13, John Harvey Lim, number 31, finding the open man. Good for 2 points, Taripe. 47-61. We have a 14-point lead. Number 10, Totosuelo. Bibigay kay Ambulonto. Gumamit ng salaming walang grado. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 17, Urin Katakutan. The pride of Quezon City. Import for your team of Princess 1B. But number 31, Harvey Lim. 3 points. 50-63. Stolen for your team of White Shirt. 1 Badaos. With only 3 minutes to go for this third quarter. Number 14, Rin Taripe bibigay kay Lim. Cross-court pass against number 18, Cabana. Finding the open man again. Good for 2 points, Taripe! Indication for this third quarter with 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Nito mga player for your team of Princess Rusher 1 Badaos. Patuloy magandang arangkada. Pero yung dalawang mga bigating mama bumabagsak sa ating sahig at hindi maganda yung pagkakabagsak nitong number 18, itong Darrell Cabana. With 2 minutes and 38 seconds, call for timeout for team of Princess Rusher 1B. Score po natin 52-63. Princess Rusher 1 Badajos. Number 31, the pride of Municipality of Bilido, sending for Katakutan. Number 17, Urin. Short by Urin. Nice save by Cabana. Taripe again. Good for 2 points, Taripe. Number 20, import for your team of Axors Matis. Number 26, Ambulonto. We have only 3 seconds on the shot clock. Kuha nito number 14, Taripe! Boom! Good for 2 points by Taripe! Number 7, the MVP of Palawan, Jeric Dagot. Kick out against Justin Magbanwa from the 18-foot chopper. Bang! Justin Magbanwa. Number 31, Harvey Lim! 5 seconds remaining time. Number 17, Urin Katakutan, step back. Bounce pass for number 18, back to Urin. Urin sasalaksak at kakayod. Nandun na naman yung libre. Good for 2 points. Hug miss! And ladies and gentlemen, back to the ball game. Last in the final quarter of the game. Bakbakan pa rin ang Axels laban sa team ng Princess Rusher 1B. Putback, Ambulonto, no good. Once again, good for 2 points, Ambulonto! Number 31, Harvey Lim, sending for number 14, Renin Taripe. Put shot up, no good. Put back, pero binuta ng kanyang kasama. Yung tiradang Renin Taripe. 8 minutes and 15, not good for Totosuelo. Battle for rebound, agawan ng bola. Taken for number 1, Justin Magbanwa, zigzagging move. Justin reverse, good for 2 points, Justin Magbanwa. Katakutan short by Urin, taken by Totosuelo. Number 10, pass break para kay Jeric Dagot. Justin again, good for 2 points by Justin. Number 1, Justin Magbanwa, floater, good for 2 points, Justin. 7 minutes and 40 seconds, taken by Tiner, number 20. 7 minutes and 35 seconds, 61-74, 13-point lead, and 5 seconds on the shot clock. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Tiner, pero walang tao doon at naubusan na po ng shot clock for your team of Axels Matis. We have only 13 seconds on the shot clock. Renin Taripe, number 14. A jumper, Renin Taripe! Roberto Princesa, 8 seconds on the shot clock. Justin, stolen by Renin Taripe. Number 9, sending for Pau Siasoko. Lipad yung depensa. Sabay bomba. 2 points, Pau Siasoko. Number 14, Taripe. Bang! 67-74. And call for timeout with your team of Axels Matis. Sir 1B, pero halatang may alat yung Urin Katakutan sa ating ball game dahil kanina pa nga po yan. But there's a foul. According to officiating referee, merong foul doon. Merong foul doon mga kaibigan. Number 26, Ambulonto, good for With 5 minutes and 29, Tiner, 3-pointer, no good. Bounce back by Toto Suelo. Good for 2 points by Toto Suelo. Remaining time, 67-78, running score. With 17 seconds on the shot clock, Urin Katakutan, iikot. Good for 2 points by Urin Katakutan. And jersey number 20, Tiner, good for 2 points. Aban sa team ng Princess Rusher, Juan Badajos. Number 29, Ambulonto. Stolen by Patrick Timbangkaya, sending number 14, Renen Taripe off the glass. Renen Taripe! Agnes, the pride of Barangay Inagawan, Puerto Princesa, 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 80-71, number 14, Renen Taripe, the pride of Manonggol. 3 points! Urin Katakutan, number 17, outside, no good. Battle for rebound taken by Toto Suelo. Sending for Tiner, ang import ng Axors. And number 20, call for unsportsmanlike foul against number 14, Renen Taripe. Napituan po ng unsportsmanlike foul dahil tao na po yung nilalaro doon ng Taripe, hindi na po bola. The ball. Ayan, kahit sa pag-ibig po natin tignan, bawal po talaga yung tao'y pinaglalaruan. Ganun din sa ating basketball, bawal po talagang paglaruan yung tao dahil yung basketball po ay play with the ball, not play with the man. Number 20, Tiner, ang import po ng team ng Axors Matis, good for 2 points. Sa team ng Princess Rusher, Juan Badajos, 2 minutes and 45. Tiner, number 20, papasewin yung John Patrick Timbangkaya. Tiner, no good. Number 10, Toto Suelo, dinukot pa. What a shot by Toto Suelo. Last 2 minutes remaining time. 1 minute and 50, 74-84. Toto Suelo again. Yung kamay na malikot, ginamit muli pang dukot ng Toto Suelo. O pinagawan, Puerto Princesa. 1 minute and 8. John Harvey Lim, number 31, creating some space. Huli ng Jeric Dagot yon. We have only 1 minute to go. 76-86, 10-point lead with your team of Axors. We have only time remaining, last 50 seconds. Justin Magbanwa. Bigay kay Toto Suelo. We have only 5 seconds on the shot clock. Toto Suelo, inside pass kay Ambulonto. 76-86, last 30 seconds. Number 7, Jeric Dagot, sending for Toto Suelo. Bibigay sa MVP ng Palawan, Jeric Dagot. We have only 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 10, Toto Suelo. Boom! Good for 2 points by Toto Suelo. 88-76. Number 31, Lim. No good for Harvey Lim. Number 1, Justin Magbanwa. Number 7, Jeric Dagot. No good for Jeric. Toto Suelo. Good for 2 points, Toto Suelo. And that's it. Last in the final quarter. Our official score, 76-90. Congratulations for your team of Axors Matis. Congratulations for team of Axors Matis.